Canoeing in Africa seems like a blissful experience, right? Well, not in this case. Published in April of 2018, this horrifying recording shows a man calmly drifting around a nice river without much happening. Just as everything seems to be going fine, a huge hippo appears out of nowhere and starts charging right at him.
Hey, hey, hey! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
He luckily makes his way back on land unharmed and observes the animal as it calmly swims away like nothing happened. Just imagine what would have happened if that hippo had been a little faster.